A professional doesn't need to gouge eyes to take away an attacker's vision. In the world of structural negation, we target the software, not the hardware. There is a specific neurological glitch that allows you to flood an attacker's vision with white static, effectively blinding their brain without ever touching their eyeballs. Today, we are opening the Neural Shutdown files to reveal 10 forbidden secrets of the Orbital Flashbang, the strikes that delete the visual field in under a second. Let's dissect the anatomy of a blackout. First, the oculocardiac reflex serves as a biological backdoor. While amateurs aim for the jaw, the real control panel is tucked into the soft tissue of the upper orbit, right beneath the brow ridge. When you deliver a precision, kinetic flick to this coordinate, you aren't trying to damage the eye. You are triggering an ancient survival loop between the trigeminal and vagus nerves. The brain receives a massive surge of sensory data it cannot process, causing it to prioritize internal stabilization over external vision. It is the biological equivalent of pulling the HDMI cable out of a monitor while the computer is still running. Second, the moment that orbital sensor is tripped, the heart rate plummets by 20 to 30% in a split second. This sudden drop in blood pressure causes a brownout in the visual cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rendering your reality. To the attacker, this doesn't feel like darkness. It feels like their vision has been replaced by high-voltage white static. Their brain is so preoccupied with the sudden stutter in their heart rhythm that it literally stops drawing the image of the fight. For 3 seconds, they are standing in a world of pure white noise, unable to track your movement. Third, just above the eye lies the supraorbital notch, a gateway for major sensory nerves. A specialized hammer fist or thumb pressure strike here doesn't just cause pain, it jams the signal between the eyes and the frontal lobe. This creates a visual lag where the attacker sees where you were, not where you are. By the time their brain resyncs the image, you have already moved to a blind spot. This is the ultimate cheat code for smaller defenders to disappear from a larger attacker's field of vision instantly. Fourth, this glitch attacks the foundation of movement by overloading the inner ear's fluid-filled canals. A simultaneous, cupped hand strike over the ears slams a column of high-pressure air into the vestibular system, creating total sensory dissonance. The brain receives a signal that the body is spinning violently, while the eyes see the world as stationary. The brain's emergency correction is to drop the body toward the center of gravity to prevent a perceived fall. The attacker falls because their brain can no longer calculate which way is up, making standing an impossible task. Fifth, the jaw is more than a target. It is a mechanical lever used to access the brainstem. A precision tap to the tip of the chin, the button, sends a kinetic shockwave traveling through the mandible and into the reticular activating system, RAS. This is the part of the brain responsible for maintaining consciousness and visual processing. It is a purely mechanical knockout that causes a brief interruption in electrical signals. In an instant, the stand command is deleted from the central nervous system, and the attacker falls as if their strings were cut. Sixth, every human has a hardwired blink reflex that triggers when an object moves rapidly toward the face. Forbidden masters teach how to strike within this 100 millisecond window of involuntary eye closure. By using a distraction flick with one hand, you force the attacker's hardware to shut the shutters. While their brain is processing the blink command, your primary strike is already landing on a vulnerable nerve center. You aren't just faster than their eyes, you are hacking the rhythm of their eyelids to move through a total visual blackout. This exploit turns their own defense mechanism into a blindfold that they cannot consciously remove. It is a high-speed override that ensures your hand is invisible until the moment of impact. Once the rhythm is broken, the attacker's confidence shatters along with their vision. Seventh, a sharp upward strike to the base of the nose does more than break bone. It triggers a lacrimal flood. This kinetic shock overloads the tear ducts and the ethmoid nerve, forcing the eyes to produce an uncontrollable surge of moisture and mucus. This isn't crying. It's a biological defensive purge that the brain cannot override. The attacker's vision is instantly blurred by a thick film of fluid, and the intense stinging sensation forces a system freeze as the brain tries to clear the sensors. This flood causes the attacker to involuntarily close their eyes and lower their head, exposing the neck and spine. It creates a 5-second window where the attacker is effectively blind and unable to breathe clearly. During this time, they are a stationary target trapped in a sensory feedback loop that makes counterattacking impossible. Eighth, the neck contains the carotid sinus, a sensor that monitors the pressure of blood flowing to the brain. A vibrating compression here sends a massive, fake, high-pressure signal to the medulla oblongata. The brain receives a code red and triggers an immediate vasovagal reflex to prevent a stroke that isn't happening. It dilates every blood vessel and drops the heart rate, causing a sudden gray out in the attacker's vision. They don't just lose sight of you. They lose their grip on consciousness, as the brain starves itself of oxygen to protect the hardware. This drop in blood pressure creates a heavy, lead-like feeling in the limbs, making the attacker's strikes slow and clumsy. Their visual field narrows into a pinhole until the world goes black, leaving them completely vulnerable to a structural takedown. This is the master's shortcut to a complete system collapse without needing superior muscle mass. Ninth, in low-light environments, the human eye is at its most vulnerable to chemical exhaustion. A sudden, high-lumen burst of light from a tactical tool doesn't just blind the eyes. 10th, the final secret is the power cut to the brachial plexus origin point at the side of the neck. This massive nerve bundle is the main power cable for the entire arm. A chopping strike here floods the system with neural noise that travels upward to the visual cortex. This creates a secondary visual stutter where the attacker's brain fails to process movement in the periphery. By the time they realize their arm has gone limp, their visual field has already narrowed into tunnel vision, making it impossible for them to track multiple threats or escape routes. Knowledge is the only weapon that doesn't require a permit, but once you understand the biology of a shutdown, you can never unsee it. Use this for preservation, never for sport. This white static hack is just the tip of the iceberg in our classified archives. If you're ready to dive deeper into the forbidden anatomy of violence, access the forbidden manual in the description to unlock the hidden knowledge of these strikes. Stay dangerous, stay alive. See you in the next one.